Yep. Yep. We're at a old street market now, and they have fried, I can't read it, but fried insects. Alright, what do you want to try? Which one? What are these? Grub? Crocodiles? That's awesome. Salads, no idea what that is. Ah. Okay, what's thank you again? Thank you. Okay. Ready for this? Fried salad. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright. Not bad. It really tastes more like the fried texture than the bug. I'm just gonna drink now. That's pretty good. So here's the view again, kind of unobstructed. You can see one of those little cool boats down there. There's a giant Buddha statue right over here, so I can zoom in on that. Yeah, it's pretty visible. Yeah, I think we may come down to this beach here, over here a little bit later on. Try to swim off of that. Cool. Should be a good steep little ride. Alright, we came to another little market. We got all kind of cool stuff in another part of Phuket. And just noticed that they have one of these spots here where you can sit down and get feet will scrape, I guess, the dead skin off of your feet. It's 15 minutes is 100 baht. How much is that? It's like 100 baht? A couple bucks. Yeah, pretty funny. Alright, They've got crocodile on the menu, so definitely trying that. So I got pad thai and crocodile, orange juice, coconut water. Let's see. Okay, if it is actually crocodile, tastes pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, kind of chewy. I'll say it doesn't taste like texture is definitely different than like any other kind of pork or anything. So maybe it actually is, but it's really good. Yeah, pretty more softer than I thought. They got a good like dressing. There's an elephant in the water now. I think these people are gonna get a little elephant ride here. Yeah. Pretty cool. Noticed over here in the distance, if I can find it on the camera, yeah, like the stair-step kind of terraced farming that they're doing in a little temple up there in the mountain. And then here there's like a, where to go? Like an observatory, it looks like. But yeah, this is Patong Beach over there. You gotta love good Thai food. Please, skate.
Again, I have table sit down.
That's okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Something brother. Your table here. Sit down in here.
That's okay. Thank you. Crocodile. That's the Muay Thai boxing stadium over there, and a crazy looking tiger cafe, tiger themed cafe. Yeah. All right, I think we're gonna try some of the biggest shrimp, just for reference. How is that even possible? Like, that is wild. Biggest shrimp I've ever seen in my life. And they've got mantis shrimp over here too. Crazy. Can calculating it up for us. How much? Okay, that's like 1,000. That's what, like 20 bucks? Yeah.
No. It's like 27.
20, yeah. Okay. We do one, these two? Yeah, one mantis shrimp. Wow. Yeah. Okay.
How do you want to cook this?
This
what are the options?
fried garlic.
Fried garlic?
Fried garlic. This one steak. You like steak? Two, huh?
Cheese steak, one.
Fried garlic. Oh yeah, fried.
Yeah. Alright, for reference, these are like the big Mayport shrimp that we're really proud of in Jacksonville, that size. And then, we've got, these are like a solid, that is just wild. Like, over a foot long, probably 14 inches long. Alright, I'm gonna try this. The fish eating. Right.
I actually fly off the whole thing. It's pretty good. Okay. It's such like a deep tickle. Yeah.
Yep. It's such a weird, like, kind of irritating tickle. It's pretty cool. I guess it's like a little sundae kind of thing. What is that one?
Something like sticky, like boba type.
No, it looks almost like pomegranate.
It doesn't feel like pomegranate.
Not, I mean, just the liquid if you can get it, not the seeds. Okay. That's really good. So the mantis shrimp tastes, it's like it's surprisingly soft, very rich. It's kind of like lobster, but not chewy. It's almost like a texture of like firm fish, but tastes like lobster. It's really interesting. And the giant shrimp are very good. They're fairly tough, but also super rich and kind of fatty, like also kind of lobstery. They're really good. There's another part of this market with tons of like every kind of fruit you could ever want, and fish and stuff too. Look at this crazy shrimp with blue claws. Wild looking. And then mantis shrimp I just had one of. Lobster. Yep. Look at this crazy restaurant. The tigers everywhere. All in there. Alright, we're gonna go to a Muay Thai thing. They say it's a real fight. Other people say it's staged. We'll see.